here is this dating app called Vibing. It's getting quite high in the charts, as you can see. Dating, meet and flirt Vibing app. Match, date and local chat app. Have fun today. Build nature intimacy. How does Vibing work to provide you with a safe and funny dating journey? Strike a fun chat instantly with Fu Now feature. Explore personal ads and connect with the right vibes. Make sure to craft a unique version of your profile to attract more attention. Read other profiles carefully, and you never know, you might just find something special. What happens here stays here. So yeah, this is one of those apps. It's just landed on the App Store, I guess. It doesn't have that many ratings. It just only has like 1,500 ratings. Just average rating 4.6. So let's just open it up for you to know. Like, I would really suggest you to be quite careful with this kind of apps, as you know, some of them are just definitely scammy and they just use your data and probably just sell it. And just want you to pay for chatting with AI bots. But let's see how this app. So I'm a man, like, okay, so it automatically identified it. Then you can just what you turn on, like whatever, okay. So then you can just take a photo, whatever, I'll just show you. Hi. So whatever, and then you just upload it. And then you can just adjust your name. That's basically what it is. And then you see the price here. So 12 months for $60, 6 months for $45, 1 month $20. So you can just try to upgrade. But let's see how it looks like. So there are some people online. Then you can just tap match now. There is one free match, and then you can just swipe through their profiles and match for the, I guess, audio or video chat. Then there are all the different profiles which you can just swipe around. I don't know how real are these profiles, but this looks like Tinder. And then here you just have who liked you. Of course, it seems it's just not real yet because yeah, you see that. Then you just have chats, and then what you have, yeah, that's that. And then also you have settings, and then if you don't like the app, you can just go from here and delete your account. And then it says who viewed me, like 4 people already. Like, I'm not sure how real is that again, because again, a lot of these apps are just trying to get money from you, and it's, you know, with this AI technology, is quite easy to mimic real chats these days. So you just need to be quite careful. So yeah, other than that, that's what it is. That's the app.